Today we will discuss about how to create e-invoice profile in IRP and how to enable e-invoicing in tallyprime. To get started with e-invoicing, you have to first register your business on IRP and then create an API user profile by selecting Tally India Private Limited as your GSP. Register on IRP. Open the IRP homepage and click registration and then click on portal login. Enter the GSTN of your business as shown in the screen e-invoice registration form, followed by the CAPTCHA code and click go. Enter the business details as required and click send OTP to verify the details. Enter the code received on your registered mobile number and click verify OTP. After verifying the OTP, you will be asked to enter a username and password to create your login credentials. Confirm and save the details. Create API user profile. Open the IRP homepage and click login. Login with the username and password created earlier. Click API registration, select user credentials, then select create API user. Select through GSP in the following API registration screen. Select Tally Private Limited in the select your GSP field. Specify the API username and password and click submit to save the details. A user profile will be created with Tally Private Limited as the GSP. Please note the API user credential is different from the IRP credential. Enable e-invoicing in tallyprime. To enjoy the benefits of e-invoicing in tallyprime, you have to enable the e-invoicing facility in your company features. You can then configure the e-invoicing options and generate e-invoices. Press F11 and set Enable Goods and Services to Yes. The company GST details screen opens. Set the option e-invoicing applicable to Yes. The related options for e-invoicing will now be visible. Applicable from. Set the date from which your transactions will be applicable for e-invoicing. Bill from place. Specify the location where your supplies are billed from. Depending on your business operation, this can be either the same or different from the location where your supplies are shipped from. Default period for the e-invoice report. Set the period for which the e-invoice report will display the transactions. This will be set to 3 days by default as per department regulations, which state that e-invoices must be generated within 72 hours of billing. However, tallyprime will allow you to set a period between 1 and 31 days as per your business requirement. Send e-way bill details with e-invoice. Tallyprime provides you with the option to generate your e-way bill along with your e-invoice. If it would be beneficial for your business, to send these details together, then you can enable this option. Accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl plus A to save the details. Thanks for watching. Please do comment what you want to see in my next topic. Please share my videos with your nearest one, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.